Good day everyone, I'm Alberto and I'm here today in order to introduce you a second Lainox tip. Today we are going to talk about our Naboo 171 and its maximum flexibility and efficiency in every kitchen. Doesn't matter if it's a restaurant, supermarket, canteen or hotel, Naboo 171 is a unique solution that for sure can fit also in your kitchen. 4 important benefits connected to Naboo 171, we are going to explore it with you. The first one, as we say, is the maximum flexibility. 17 trays at your disposal for amazing full load or 2 totally independent cavity in order to save money, time, works, using only the energy that is necessary to use to cook your production. Flexibility is also in the configuration of Naboo 171. Why? Because Naboo 171 can be equipped with 2 boiler units, 2 direct steam units, or a mixed solution with 1 boiler unit and 1 direct steam unit. The second important benefit is the ergonomy of Naboo 171. All the controls, screen, core probe and shower at here easy to reach at your fingertip. So operation can be always under control without slowing down or search for it compared to 2 stacked units. The third important benefit is the quick and easy installation of Naboo 171. So with 1 electric connection and 1 water connection, it's very easy to install the 171 in every single kitchen. And of course, it's much easier than 2 stacked units. The fourth important benefit is the space and price. Of course, less space invested in the kitchen and less price compared to 2 stacked units. Naboo 171 allow in a short space. The last tray here is just 1.60 m, so everybody can work 100% in the safety condition and less investment compared to 2 stacked items. So if you like Naboo 171 and you want to know more information, write us, look to our internet site www.lainox.com and follow us in our social media, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. We are looking forward to see you there and I look personally forward to see you in another Lainox tip.